The next thing we want to look at is traversals and corresponding angles. So what you see here on the board is I have three lines. I have line A, I have line Y, which stretches over here, and line L, which stretches over this way. A traversal is simply when we have two lines, L and Y, and then I have another line that is intersecting each of those two lines at a different point. So in this case, Y and L are my two lines. My traversal is line A. When a traversal crosses these two lines, it creates 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't have to number them this way, but that's how I did right now. So a traversal creates a number of angle pairs. When you look at your traversal, you'll see that it's divided into interior and exterior. Exterior is everything outside of the two lines. Interior is everything between the two lines. The different types of angle pairs that we can have here, the first one is corresponding. If you look at this first intersection point, we have quadrants. We have 4 locations, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The corresponding location on the other intersection point would be 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. 4 and 8 would be corresponding angles. The next type of angle is alternate angles. And alternate angles come in 2 forms. We have interior alternate and exterior alternate. Interior, just what it says, are on the inside of our two lines. And alternate means that they are on opposite sides of the traversal. So for an interior alternate angle, an example would be 3 and 6. They are on the interior, they are on opposite sides. We also have exterior alternate angles. They are on the outside, the exterior, and they are on alternate sides of the traversal. So 1 and 8 would be an example of an alternate exterior angle. The final type of angle pair that we have is same side interior and exterior. Again, same side angle relationship, and we have them in 2 forms, either interior or exterior. On the interior, same side means they're on the same side of the traversal. Interior means they're inside. So 3 and 5 would be an example of an interior same side angle pair. On the exterior, we have examples 1 and 7. That would be same side exterior angles. Now if you'll notice on this picture, I also have angles 9, 10, 11, and 12 drawn. That's because we have more than one set of traversals here. We could also view line A and line Y as our lines, with line L creating a traversal with intersection point here and intersection point here. And the same thing. This would be the interior and exterior, way out here. So we want to be able to do 2 things with our traversals and corresponding angles. If I give you one of the types of angles, you need to be able to give me an example on this chart. So let's say we asked for a set of corresponding angles. What would be an example other than the ones we did over here? So let's look at this, and we can use our new point here. So let's look at number 12, or angle 12. What would a corresponding angle be for angle 12? Well, we look, it's 9, 10, 11, 12. We come over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So angle 4 and angle 12 would be an example of a corresponding pair. We could also look at angle 6 and angle 9 as a corresponding pair. If I asked for an alternate exterior angle, let's look at that. This is on the exterior, this is the interior. So alternate exterior. So let's look at 10, and remember alternate sides, so this is our traversal. We're going to move to this side, and we're going to stay on the exterior. So it would be 5 and 10 would be an alternate exterior. The next thing we want to be able to do, if I give you an angle pair, you need to tell me what kind of angle it is, and also tell me which line is the traversal. So, given angle 11 and angle 6, where is the traversal? That's the first question. And you pick the traversal by looking at those two angles. Which line connects or touches both of those angles? And it's this line here. So line Y is our traversal. Now, what's the relationship? First, let's look which side. Are they on the same side or opposite sides or alternate sides? 6 and 11, they're on the same side. So that means they're going to be same side or corresponding. Now, are they both interior or are they on opposite sides? Is one interior and one exterior? If we look at 6 and 11, we see that they are both interior on the chart. So same side, interior angles with a traversal on line Y.